In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to choose the right place to save your sheet, and how to pick the best starting point for your work. Begin by looking at the left sidebar of your Smartsheet screen. This is your main navigation area. Find the plus sign labeled Create and click it. A small menu will open, and this is where everything starts to come together. Before you choose what to make, set the location so your sheet is saved in the right place. Click Location, then pick the folder or workspace where you want this sheet to live. If you'd like a dedicated home for this project, you can also choose to create a new workspace right from here. A workspace is simply a shared container that helps you organize related items and, if you choose, collaborate with others. Picking a clear location now makes it easier to find and manage your work later. Next, look under New Item. You'll see options for what you can create. Hover your mouse over each option to see a quick description of what it offers. When you move over sheets, you'll be able to choose a starting point that matches how you want to work. You'll see familiar options like Table, Gantt, Timeline, and Board. Hovering helps you preview the strengths of each style so you can make a confident choice. If you're just getting started and want a flexible, spreadsheet-like layout, Table is a great pick. It gives you clean rows and columns for tasks, notes, and status. If your work is time-based and you'd like to see tasks plotted across a schedule, choose Gantt. It adds a visual timeline to the grid, which is helpful for deadlines and dependencies. For a high-level schedule view organized across time, Timeline focuses on phases and milestones. And if you prefer to move work through stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done, Board gives you a card-based, drag-and-drop experience that's perfect for tracking workflow. Once you've decided which starting point fits your needs, simply click it. Smartsheet will create your new sheet immediately in the location you selected. That's it. You've made your first Smartsheet. From here, you're ready to begin organizing your information and shaping the sheet to match your process. Remember, you can always explore different views later to see your work from another angle, so don't stress about picking the perfect one on the first try. To recap, click Create, set your location, hover to explore the options, choose your preferred sheet type, and click to build it. You're off to a great start.